Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. I am Prabhat Majumdar. I would share today's market update. Looking at the daily updates today, market saw a sharp surge in COVID-19 cases, dented investor sentiment and has increased fear of harsh restrictions which would impact economy activity. Going forward, government actions to curb the surge would be one of the important factors to watch out for. Further, the upcoming RBI monetary policy would be actively tracked by investors. We expect the RBI to maintain its dovish stance and leave key rates to be unchanged. The S&P BSE Sensex wiped out most of the gains made in the previous trading session to close below 50,000, while the Nifty closed below the 50 days moving average DMA on worries around rising COVID cases and resultant lockdown. Indian market saw a knee-jerk reaction on Monday after the Maharashtra government on Monday announced new restrictions under its Break the Chain campaign to curb the spread of novel coronavirus infections. Let's look at the final tally on D Street. The S&P BSE Sensex plunged 870 points to 49,159, while the Nifty closed with losses of 229 points at 14,637. Benchmark indices started the week on a negative note, dropping over 1% amid concern over rising COVID-19 cases in the country. At close, the Sensex was down by almost 870 points at 49,159, and the Nifty was down by almost 229 points at 14,637. The market witnessed a huge sell-off today as India's second wave of COVID-19 is getting bigger than anticipated and is expected to ruin the pace of economic recovery. High valuation further added concerns due to a possible downgrade in Q1 FY22 earnings. Barring IT, metal and telecom, all sectors remained in the red. A policy decision in the upcoming MPC announcement and Q4 earnings will define the market volatility in the coming days. The Nifty negated its higher lows formation of the last 4 trading sessions and formed a bearish candle with long lower shadow indicating overall weakness but some support based buying seen in sharp declines. The Nifty erased all its previous sessions gains and fell by 1.5% as a sharp spike in coronavirus cases in the country dented sentiment. The index formed a bearish candle on the daily charts as the closing was lower than opening levels, though it witnessed some buying at lower levels. As trend appears to have tilted in favor of bears, the possibility of index testing recent corrective swing low of 14,264 shall remain higher. The Nifty opened lower at 14,837 and remained under pressure to hit a day's low of 14,459. The index settled at 14,637, down by almost 229 points. Albeit Nifty 50 recovered around 180 points from its intraday low of 14,459 levels, it seems to have resumed its downswing as Nifty witnessed a sharp downswing of 390 points with negative advance decline ratio, which decisively skewed in favor of bears. Hence, strength in the index will not be expected unless Nifty registers a close above 14,850 levels, and till then the trajectory of this market shall be on a slippery slope with initial targets of 14,459 levels. As trend appears to have tilted in favor of bears, the possibility of index testing recent corrective swing flow of 14,264 shall remain higher, the experts believe. Experts advise traders to avoid long side bets, whereas aggressive traders with high risk appetite shall consider any bounce into the zone of 14,700 to 14,750 to create fresh positional shorts with a stop above 14,850 levels on a closing basis and look for an initial target of 14,450. Now till it remains below 33,333, weakness and underperformance could continue for the downside move towards 32,000 and 31,500, while on the upside hurdles are seen at 33,500 and 34,000 levels. Sectorally, selling pressure was seen in realty, banks, finance, auto, public sector and consumer discretionary stocks, while some buying was seen in IT, metal and telecom stocks. On the sectoral front, Nifty PSU Bank Index slipped by 4%. Nifty Bank Index shed over 3% and Auto Index declined more than 2%. However, IT Index gained 2%. Except metal and healthcare, all other sectoral indices ended in the red. BSE Realty and Bank Index shed 3% each and Auto Index slipped by 2.6%. What experts suggest investors should do on Tuesday? The Nifty closed the day at 14,638 with a loss of over 1% and formed a bearish candle on the daily chart. The overall structure still seems that of a consolidation as the index rejected around 14,900 zones for the third time on the hourly charts. India VIX moved up by 6.16%. Spurt in volatility from lower levels is keeping the market volatile with selling pressure at higher zone. The index negated its higher lows formation of the last 4 trading sessions and formed a bearish candle with a long lower shadow indicating overall weakness but some support based buying seen in sharp declines. The index made a smart recovery in the second half of the session and recouped half of its intraday losses, partly underpinned by strength among the IT space, which was the strongest sector today. On options front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 followed by 14,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000 followed by 16,000 strike. Call writing was seen at 15,000 and then 14,700 strike, while put writing was seen at 13,900 and then 14,300 strike. Options data indicated that the Nifty could see a wider trading range of 14,300 to 15,100 levels in the coming sessions. Bank Nifty saw a gap down start at 33,649 and cascaded to 32,330 in the initial hour of the trade. The second half remained quite choppy and the day settled with massive losses of 1179 points at 32,678. It formed a bearish candle on a daily scale with long lower shadows. Market saw profit booking from the same levels, and if the index trades below 14,700 zone, then the next move towards its previous swing low of 14,300 zone. If the Nifty sustains above 14,700, then some relief rally can be seen. The market failed to show resilience to stay above 14,800 levels on the Nifty 50. While it is subject to further price action evolution, the technical factors are allowing to support a short-term consolidation in the near future. The market is expected to attempt a breakout above the 14,900 mid of the month. Any corrective wave down should find support around 14,400. Traders are advised to refrain from building a fresh buying position until the market witnesses a correction to the 14,400 level or a breakout above 14,900. The volatility is observed to expand in Monday's trading session, indicate profit booking and distribution of stocks at a higher market level. Currently, Nifty is stuck in a no trading zone with 14,400 to 14,250 acting as a strong floor and 14,850 to 15,000 acting as a strong hurdle. Unless the index breaks out of this zone, further range-bound trading looks likely in the short term. Nifty has to cross and hold above 14,700 zones to witness an up move towards 14,850 and 15,000 zones, while on the downside support exists at 14,450 and 14,300 levels. As stated by Goldstone experts, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Traders are advised to refrain from building a fresh buying position until the market witnesses a correction. Follow support and resistance levels along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular updates, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Also be a part of our Facebook family. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.